Thuraiya Plastic Factory is the first factory in Qatar that is specialized in manufacturing windows and door profile. Thuraiya Plastic Factory was established in 2015 and started manufacturing in 2017. Thuraiya is a star, and as we manufacture or produce profiles, that we make sure that we will be always in the top. We will always be a star. We have made a business plan, and we have noticed in the past several years a huge growth in the construction site. So we want to make a factory or a business that will make the construction process more easier for the consumer. So we have established, or we have started planning of a Thuraiya Plastic Factory, local made with high standards, high quality and prices that will be very competitive in the market. All our raw materials are supplied from the United States of America and Europe, so we can make sure that all our raw materials come with high standards and quality. Our profiles will be available in the workshops. We as a factory, we don't deal with the last consumer, and this is a type of supporting the local workshop. We support them with nice prices, with high quality profiles, and with anything they need, like machines and till the end. Strategies, plan, we are always available to help the local workshops. The challenge that we are facing in a local business or a local factory is getting or receiving the consumer trust, so they can make sure to buy our products. So we make everything to make the consumer feel good to trust our products. And if you get the consumer trust, that is the main thing that you need in your business. What makes us special of any other UPVC factories around the world is that we are following the German standards, European standards, and we make sure that our products goes through our lab and goes through quality manager. We have shipped outside Qatar. For example, we have shipped to Libya and to Iraq, and now we are getting ready to ship to Oman, because our local profile has approved itself in the outside market. Inshallah, in the next month, we will start producing a new manufacturing line, colored profile with 3 different colors, as well as the new doors. This is a message to all the local workshops in Qatar. We will support you until 100%. We will give you accessories, prices, profiles, and for the last consumer, we will give you a 15 years warranty, as well as good prices to make sure that your house will be waterproof, as well as soundproof, sandproof, and also heat resist. The UPVC windows are much better than the traditional aluminum windows, and that's what makes the UPVC much better and easier to have in houses. My advice to my brothers and sisters is to make sure that you open a new business that make you special of all of your competitors in the market. Make sure you study the market well, and make sure you have 2 plans. Plan 1, if you success, what's the next step? Plan 2, if you lose, what is your next step? Make sure you be always in the safe side, and make sure you always bring the best thing in the market, the thing that is never been in the market. Make sure to be special, like a Thuraiya Plastic Factory. We would like to say, support local, buy local, we love Qatar.